Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of ln 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, to solve this integral you need to use the formula for integration by part. That is, integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. Okay, so here I define ln 2x plus 1 as u. Therefore, if you take the derivative from each side of this equation, 2 dx divided by 2x plus 1 will be equal to du. Okay? And so if I define dx as dv, therefore v will be equal to integral of dx, which will be equal to x. So all you need to do here is to substitute these expressions into this formula. Therefore, this integral will be equal to uv, u is this one, v is this one, therefore that will be x times ln 2x plus 1, that is uv, minus integral of v, that is x, du. Okay, and du is equal to 2 dx 2x plus 1, therefore that will be 2 dx 2x plus 1. Okay, so here you need to solve this integral, okay, to be able to obtain the final solution. So, and this integral you can solve it by substitution rule. So if you define 2x plus 1, let's say by t, and you take the derivative from each side of this equation, 2 dx will be equal to dt, or in other words, dx will be equal to 1 divided by 2 times dt. So if you substitute this term now into this integral, you can write integral of 2x dx divided by 2x plus 1 will be equal to, instead of 2x, I write t minus 1, because 2x plus 1 is t, therefore 2x will be equal to t minus 1. So that will be t minus 1, okay? And instead of dx, I write 1 divided by 2 dt, that will be 2 dt, okay? And instead of 2x plus 1, that is 2x plus 1, I simply write t, okay? And that will be equal to integral of t divided by 2t, that will be 1 divided by 2 dt, minus integral of dt divided by 2t. Okay, and this will be equal to 1 divided by 2 times t minus 1 divided by 2 ln t plus c, which is the constant of the integral. So all you need to do here is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of this parameter t with the definition of t, that is 2x plus 1. Therefore, this integral will be equal to 1 divided by 2. Instead of t, I write 2x plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 ln. Instead of t, I write 2x plus 1 plus c. So that is the solution of this integral. Okay, so now the original integral was this one. The solution of this integral is equal to this term minus the integral of this one, and the integral of this term we already calculated, which is basically this one. Therefore, from here you can conclude that the integral of ln 2x plus 1 dx will be equal to, that is the first term, which is x ln 2x plus 1 minus the integral of this term, and the integral of this term we already have it here, that will be minus 1 divided by 2 times 2x plus 1 minus that will be plus 1 divided by 2 ln 2x plus 1 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. Okay, so you can make it a little bit simpler. For example, you can factor ln 2x plus 1, and if you do that, that will be ln 2x plus 1, so that will be x here times x plus, that will be 1 divided by 2 minus this term minus, basically you can even multiply 1 divided by 2 by the 2x and 1, so that will be basically x plus 1 divided by 2 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested, please feel free to subscribe into this channel. so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.